It's been a while since I gave a lot of update. I waited for about 5 weeks to receive the parts that I ordered. Now that I have everything, I've started repairing process. First few thing is replacing the airbag as well as our SRS module. Thanks to Seatbelt Masters on eBay for resetting the module for me. I just put it back right there. Before I put back the center console, I'm gonna record this video. Try something different. Yesterday, installed the airbag, the curtain airbag, and also the airbag, the passenger, not the driver's seat airbag as part of the seat. Seat assembler is in the other room. Things are working. So just put back the SRS module. If you see the videos that I did for tear down, this is basically showing what it looks like from the inside. Just the lighting here. This is being highlighted. This is the plastic rack that was somehow attached to the rest of the center console without using clips. And this is SRS module that is fixed with three nuts. I just finished putting back the cable. Then I'm gonna slide the center console back in. There are 6 more screws, 2 on the right side, 2 on the left side, and 2 more on the back side, and connect the 2 cables. When I do the tear down, I usually use a label. A paint tape will do the trick. Write down what it is connected to help me understand when I come back to this. So these are the only 2 things that to be connected to, and should be all good. After that, I'm gonna connect the low voltage battery and see how things go. All right, see you in the next video.